Hi friends, welcome to Asia Controls. So we are going to see about AC split AC indoor unit, split air conditioner indoor unit. We will see about how it works, how it will be coming. So we are going to see Blue Star split AC indoor unit. The Blue Star indoor unit separately the company is giving for retrofit jobs only. So if your old unit getting problem, coil leak or other PCB problems, your old AC is non-inverter, you can able to use this split AC new indoor unit to your home. So this indoor unit comes with remote and drain pipe and box will come. This is coming from Blue Star only. So this split AC indoor is compatible with R22 refrigerant and R32 and R410. So all three gas compatible. If your old AC is R22 refrigerant is R22 also, you can use this because nowadays they are coming up with all three gases compatibility only. So this will include a drain pump, drain pipe will come. So and also remote also will come. So this look very a pretty look and Blue Star genuine parts the name will come. So with a box with remote and drain pipe will come. So like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.